The color spectrum is a thing of wonder. In this series of videos, I hope to help you explore the brilliant world of color and understand its principles as applied to makeup. Color theory is one of the principal foundations for a successful career as a makeup artist. A significant amount of our work is based solely on color theory and our understanding of what colors work together and what colors cancel each other out. From recognizing a skin color to its tones and undertones, camouflaging and applying complementing makeup, a makeup artist's skill relies heavily on color theory, and gradually with practice it becomes second nature. Understanding how colors mix and work together is crucial for matching a foundation, concealing and correcting, giving the illusion of depth, width, height, length, and achieving the desired results. Understanding color theory is absolutely essential for a makeup artist because it lays the foundation, no pun intended, of your career as one. So let's start with the basics. So this is a color wheel, one of the little tools that I think is absolutely necessary for a beginner or even somebody who's been around for a while and needs refreshing once in a while. It's important because it shows you firstly what colors exist in the spectrum of color and how they work in relationship with each other. So it'll show you what primary colors are, what secondary colors are, tertiary colors are, the relationship, how to match them, how to combine colors to make great looks. Also, it shows you color value. When you add gray or white or black, what happens to it, or if you add primary colors to a color, what happens to that. If you turn it around, you can see how colors change as in when you add primary colors or black or white or gray. So it's a pretty important little tool to have, and you will find them in art supply stores across the cities that you live in. And what's amazing is you'll also find pocket-friendly sizes of this, where this is pretty large and it's great for video demonstration. But having said that, you'll find smaller versions of this which you can just tuck into your tool belt or carry with you, because there will be times, especially in the beginning, that you'll need to go back to the color wheel to see what it is that you're doing and to avoid some major mistakes. Even if you did make a mistake, you'd be able to fix it if you refer back to the color wheel, at least in the beginning stages of your career. So this is something that I would recommend for everyone. There are several color theory models that apply themselves to various fields that involve color. But in makeup artistry, the one that we come across every day is the RYB model, or the red, yellow, blue model. Other common models are RGB, which stands for red, green, blue, used in electronics, and MYC, magenta, yellow, cyan, a modern model used by painters or in the printing industry. Red, yellow and blue are the three primary colors. These are colors that can't be made by mixing other colors. They just exist. And from the three primary colors, with a little bit of mixing of white or black or each other, a number of colors can be made. Almost all the colors in the spectrum of color can be made with these three primary colors. When two primary colors are mixed in equal proportion, they create a third color or a secondary color. Yellow and blue make green. Red and yellow make orange. Blue and red make violet. When an equal amount of a primary color and its adjacent secondary color is mixed together, you get a tertiary color. So now that we know in simple words what primary, secondary and tertiary colors are, the next step is to understand how to pick complementing and contrasting colors, how to cancel colors out, or how to mix them. We'll do that in the next video. Red, yellow and blue are the three primary colors. These are colors that can't be made by mixing other colors. They just exist. When two primary colors are mixed in equal proportion, they create a third color or a secondary color. When an equal amount of a primary color and its adjacent secondary color is mixed together, you get a tertiary color.